Hi everyone, it's Dance for Wellbeing number 7. I can't quite believe we've got to number 7, but we have. And thanks to all of you who've sent me your videos and emails and all those who have tagged on Facebook as well, because it'd be nice to see you sort of appreciating the dance itself, but also doing it in your surgeries and in your area. So it sort of keeps me going as well. I suppose today really is to say thank you. We seem to be just about coming out on the surge. I don't like to be optimistic, but I am going to be. And just say thank you guys. It's been amazing that you've all worked so hard. I had the honour of working in the ITU alongside the nurses there. And they were just amazing really. So thank you all. The song I've chosen this week is going to be a bit harder, I think. What we've thought about is different. And it was really odd, when I was a young teenager, I had slightly different tastes in music to everybody else. And I thought being different was, I wasn't quite sure it was a good thing or not. And actually then this song came out in the 1990s about being different, celebrating difference, and what brings everybody different together? Dance. So what a perfect routine for us. And it's Vogue by Madonna. So good luck, I will show you some of voguing moves in a minute, and then practice the routine and some of your videos.
Hi, I'm Harriet. I'm one of the junior doctors working at City in Sandwell. I'm doing the Dance for Wellbeing with Nick this month. It's really important to look after our well-being, especially in a time like this. It's great to have an outlet, something to look forward to and enjoy. I personally have always really loved singing and dancing. I've really enjoyed learning this routine for Nick. Hopefully you guys will too. So get dancing and send the videos in. Right
then, so we're going to teach you all how to Vogue. There's some repetitive sort of sequences and moves in this, but this is the main one really. So I'll just go through it with you, all right? So it's right arm away, so out, out, together, together, up, up, right up in the air. Next bit, everything looks very dodgy, very hard, but it's not. It comes round over your head and out. And then you do that twice, again like that. And then it's a flick, flick, shoulder, shoulder out, arm, arm out, and then you come together, and then I'm trying to remember it myself, and then it's out, out, in, together, over, over, out. And that's it. All there is to it, and you'll be voguers in no time.